Hello guys, welcome to my channel. This is Frederick Ubiri, a YouTuber based in Warri, Nigeria. Today we shall be talking about 8 business ideas for side hustle in Nigeria. Guys, I have to be very grateful to you guys for making my subscriber base and viewership to increase. I say thank you guys. Thank you my subscribers. Thank you my viewers for your role on my YouTube channel. I remain grateful to you guys for making it possible for my YouTube channel to reach this particular milestone. Guys, the other day I was looking through my viewership. I discovered that my viewership is over 94 to 95,000 viewership. So that means without you, it wouldn't be possible for me to get this milestone. So without no further ado, guys.
Truth hurts when you ain't ready. Growth leads you somewhere better. So take your time, relax your mind. It's alright, yeah.
We shall be talking about 8 business ideas for side hustles in Nigeria. Number 1 on the list has to do with freelance writing or freelance writer. And in Nigeria has a lot of talented individuals in this country, which can be of a great side hustle to us. So you can specialize in ghostwriting, content writing, copywriting, and much more. So these are some of the things that you do as a freelance writer. You write all this content, you'll be making money for rendering out these services to your clients. Then outside the freelance writer, you can equally become a visual assistant. And a visual assistant help entrepreneurs with their day-to-day task, from setting up meetings, writing content, and creating a market plan. These are some of the things that you do as a visual assistant through the online platform. These are some of the things you do to help your clients. Then on the other one, we talk about graphic design. If you have an eye on graphic design, you can do a lot of things. You can create logos. You can design posters. You can create email marketing template. You can create email marketing template from the scratch to your client, which before you know it, you'll be cashing out and making a lot of money by so doing. So guys, these are some of the business ideas that I feel, if put in place, it can help you to go a long way in your side hustle while you are going about your normal 8 to 5 p.m. day job. Then after that one, we equally have tutoring. The other time I talked about online tutoring, but this time around we are talking about real tutoring, maybe physical tutoring, where you can decide to offer maybe teaching services to students in need of some extra work. Maybe you can visit them in their homes. Maybe you can meet some parents that have their children. You can be teaching them maybe from door to door in their home, irrespective of their home, to tell them, teach them maybe English, mathematics, social sciences, and all those engineering courses. And by so doing, you'll be making some money by way of a tutoring student. Then outside that, we have SEO consultant. And what is a SEO consultant? You help business optimize their website for better search engine ranking. You can also help promote their website, blog, social media account. Those are some of the things that you do as SEO consultant. No? By the time you do this to many clients, maybe you have 1 or 2 clients, 3 or 4, and maybe people will be talking about you, the role you have been playing to help to promote their website, their blog, and their social platform. Before you know it, you'll be cashing out because people will be consulting you, even clicking on your on the link, because for you to become a SEO consultant, you must have created a website that people will be coming into. And from there, they will know more about you, about your product and services, and before you know it, you'll be cashing out. So that is number 5 on the list. Then number 6 on the list is personal shopping. And what is personal shopping? Personal shopping is somebody who helps someone who helps people to shop for clothing, accessory, and other items. They provide advice and recommendation on what to buy and where to buy it, as well as helping with the actual purchase process. Some personal shoppers may also provide styling service such as creating outfits, helping people put their look together. What am I saying? At least from what I've just read on this on this point that I jotted down. You know, when it comes to personal shopping, some people, because of their busy schedule, they may not be chance enough to carry out some specific task on their own. But if you decide to be a personal shopper, you can help somebody maybe buy things. Even like the other day, my wife was saying it that where she lives in Jeffrey Avenue, there are some people there that do personal shopping by engaging the service of 1 or 2 persons who will help them to buy things from the market, like all those foodstuff. They buy those foodstuff from the market the way the client wants it, and before you know it, they meet the client, maybe because of his or her own busy schedule. Whatever he ought to have gone to buy in the market, he will just quickly buy it by way of the shopper doing all those services on his or her behalf, going to the market, buy foodstuff, buy whatever they need to buy in the market to cook, or even to go and buy things outside for them to do whatever they need to do in the house. So these are some of the services of personal shopper. So number 7 on the list has to do with video editor. And what is a video editor? Video editor is something that makes a video production better, or post-production change to a film. Then the video editor works closely with the director to achieve the best final film outcome, with the goal of telling the story in the most effective and competitive way, working heavily involve cutting and rearranging the scene. What are we trying to explain here? Like in this place, you know, even this video I'm doing now, by the time I'm done with this video, I will need to edit it to suit the purpose with which this video is being made. So there are some instances whereby, like all those Nollywood video, for instance, you don't expect the director of the video to be the one to do the filming and at the same time to do the editing. So these are some of the work people engage on. So if you can make yourself available, before you know it, will be cashing out, because there are a lot of work to be done when it comes to video editing. Many things are involved in video editing. So when you come to video editing, after a film has been made, many processes will be involved, many things will be involved. to make sure that the film come out beautiful and look fit for viewers to watch. So these are some of the roles that a video editor is expected to do. So by the time you engage in video editing, you will be cashing out and you'll be making money outside your normal 5 to 8, 8 to 5 p.m. Job. Then number 8 on the list has to do with a social media manager. And just like I said, social media management is a great side hustle for everyone in Nigeria. You can help business build and manage their online presence, create content for their accounts, monitor their engagement, and provide insight into how to maximize their online visibility. You can also offer services such as social media campaign management, competitors analysis, content production, and analytics. What am I trying to say here is that as a social media managers, you know, some people are good, like the like of them Ibu, for instance. Their name is a household name. Even Frederick Leonard, their names are household names. By the time you come out with your, maybe you as a social media manager, they have carried out one content or the other. They have created one content or the other. Your role is to make sure that you manage this content so that this thing becomes visible to viewers, to people out there, to know that this is what is on ground. You see? So, like what I said, you can help business build and manage their online presence, create content for their account, monitor their engagement, provide insight into how to maximize their online visibility. That is what I'm talking about. That is when this content has been created. Your aim is to make sure that this thing becomes visible everywhere. Everybody will be seeing it online. So these are some of the things that you do as a 8 side hustles in Nigeria. Because, you know, as a young man, if you are doing, if people complain that there's no work, but I believe as a smart Nigerian, if you are smart, there is money out there in the streets. It's only those who are lazy that will say that there's no money or there's no work. But I believe as a smart Nigerian, if you engage on these 8 business ideas that I put for you in my video clips, you'll be able to know that outside the 8 to 5 p.m. job, there are some certain things that you do outside your normal pay job that will make you to get money, and which I've already given you. And all these things that I give to you, most of them they are online related. There are things that you do outside your normal hours, and you'll be making money outside the normal work that you are doing in the office. So guys, that is that on these business ideas. So guys, if you like my video, give my videos a thumbs up. Subscribe to my YouTube channel. Frederick Kubiru is my YouTube name. Make sure you share to your loved ones so that you increase my viewership and my subscriber base. And remain blessed. See you in my next video. Thank you for watching.